First, complete the Excel template from your Enroll administrator. If you have another file with similar information, you must cut and paste the information into the Excel template. Note, the fields are case-sensitive. Now, go to Import and click Import Forms to begin the upload process. Find the correct data type, such as Cohort 2018. Then select the correct high school under subcategory if there are multiple schools on your site. Next, select Import Forms. Upload the file you just updated. Then select the form you want to import, such as SAT/ACT scores form. Next, select OSIS number as your unique key and check Select Mappings. Before continuing, look under Column Mappings to make sure the names in the left column match the selection in the right column. Then click on Verify Results. Click Finish to complete the upload process.